Capital Sports Stadium. Thank you.
Oh, bagong goal!
Game 2. Play between Cagayan and Santiago City. Cagayan 80. Santiago City 70. Winner, Cagayan. Game 2. Play between Quirino and City of Ilagan. Quirino 3. Results of volleyball girls secondary, game 5. Play between Santiago and Quirino. Results of the table tennis, 3-0 Cagayan, 0. Winner, Quirino. Congratulations.
Ayan, yun po.
Game 3. Play between Cagayan and City.
Malaking na. Lagi na. Paano?
Results of table tennis secondary, Tuguegarao City 0. Winner, Quirino. Congratulations.
Nice.
Results of the table tennis secondary group 3. Tuguegarao 1. Winner, City of Santiago. Congratulations.
Kaya sa kwarta na yun. Kawayan niya.
2. Winner, Nueva Vizcaya. Play between City of Ilagan and Tuguegarao City. City of Ilagan 3. Tuguegarao City 0. Winner, City of Ilagan. Congratulations. Results of 1. Winner, City of Kawayan. Congratulations.
Ay, wow!
Isabela 3. City of Santiago 2. Secondary girls game 5 team competition. Play between Cagayan and Quirino. Cagayan 2. Winner, Cagayan. Ela 0. Winner, Santiago City. Congratulations. Boys first singles played between Santiago City and Isabela. Santiago City. First, Angelica Rosquita of Cagayan. Second, Lovely Con Maximo of Quirino. Cagayan. Congratulations.